All right, good morning. Morning chores are done. A little bit of a breezy, cool morning. Actually, it's really not that cold. I think it's like 21 degrees or something like that. So for us, it's not too cold. But yeah, morning chores are done. Animals are fed. Only thing we got to do is get some wood. Um, we're just about down 2 cords. We still have all this wood right here. So we have another, probably 2¼ cords. So we're at like 5 cords, I think. We've burned through about half of it. So, yeah, we started out with a super cold winter this year. So we went through a little bit more wood than I thought we would in the first little bit, but that's okay. We still have another cord in another location, and then from the windstorm I have a couple down trees that I can chop up, and of course those aren't going to be cured yet, but yeah, we should be okay. We've got plenty of dry wood still to get us through. We're most of the way through January now, so we've got February and March most definitely to get through before we start warming up significantly. April we'll be able to start backing off on burning a little bit more. But anyway, update on things. As you can see, we have a full fence now again. It's temporarily fixed. So I'll kind of show you. As we get closer, you can see it's basically temporarily fixed. So it starts from right here and comes all the way over to here. This post is damaged along with this post. So I'm gonna have to do 3 different posts and 2 sections of fence. So the leadership of Alaska declared things state of emergency from the windstorm, so there is some funding, but we talked to our insurance company. Homeowners insurance is gonna look at someone. We're gonna get an estimate and see how much it's gonna cost to fix the fence, see if we qualify. If we don't, that's fine. I plan on pretty much fixing it myself, but figured might as well try the avenues and maybe we can get things fixed for little to no cost to us. So either way, it's getting fixed. Whether I fix it, my neighbor and I, that is, fix it, or if someone else comes in and fixes it. So no biggie to me. It's just one more project, and if I end up fixing it, it'll just be a project that replaces something else that we were going to do. No big deal. We can work through it. Work's been really busy at the hospital, lots of call work and everything, so I may have a little bit extra money to play with than I thought, but we'll see. So yeah, for those of you that are just joining or just watching this video, my name is Brandon from the Wilson Life, and some of the clips you'll see my wife Jackie, and we live in Wasilla, Alaska, and we aren't remote or anything. We actually live within a city district and within the city. So but we are basically starting homesteading. We started about 3 years ago. It was late 2018, I believe. So yeah, go ahead and browse through some of our videos and whatnot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and continue to join us on some of our adventures and whatnot. So anyway, yeah, we've recouped from the windstorm. It's it's kind of sleeting now. It's been pretty warm. We've gotten up to 42, which is pretty warm for this time of year. It's kind of weird. It's almost like we swapped positions January with October and November. Super weird. But anyway, that's where we're at. Animals are all good. Haven't had any losses so far this year. Oh, I take that back. Early on, we did lose Oreo. Not sure exactly what happened there, but that same weekend we had planned on processing our last litter of rabbits. So we were able to replace Oreo with another male bunny who Aiden has lovingly named Jack. So that's what we've got going on there. Yeah, that's where we're at, and we will keep you up to date on things. At the moment, there's nothing real big going on. We just have some basic stuff that we've been getting set up. Seeding, though, is coming up. I'll probably have Jackie do a video on seeding. We have some fun plans for seeding this year. We will be expanding the garden even more, so that'll be fun. And I don't think we have any plans of adding animals this year. I think it's just the garden. So, but there she is. Stay tuned, and we'll have more content coming for you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time.